Think you need Photoshop to design a beautiful resume? Think again. Today, we are doing it all right in PowerPoint. In this tutorial, you will learn how to design a clean, modern A4 size resume step by step using just PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to the Design tab, click on Slide Size, select Custom Slide Size, select A4 paper and set it to Portrait. Click on OK. Now, your slide is resume ready and printable. Use the rectangle shape tool to draw a sidebar. Pick a nice color from the shape fill. Now, duplicate it with Ctrl Shift. Reduce the height and change the color. This creates a layer sidebar effect, clean and modern. Next, insert your passport size photo. Click on Shape Fill, select Picture, select your image. Use the text box tool to add your name. Use a clean bold font. Duplicate the text box to write your job title or profession below it. Keep fonts minimal. Consistency is key. Add your contact details with a stylish font. Use icons to match, like phone, email, and location. Align everything neatly using a text box and icons. Duplicate the text box again and title this section Skills. List out your technical or soft skill. Now, let's make a gradient skill bar. Insert a line. Go to Shape Effect. Select Gradient Line. Choose a color. Adjust the gradient stops. Increase line width. Select round cap and round joint for smoother edges. Add a section for language you know. Use icons like flags or text indicators. Then, include passion like photography, travel, again with matching icons. Next, add headings like About Me, Experience, and Education using a clean font. Type your information in the text boxes under each section. To design a timeline, insert a line and scratch it. Change the color and increase thickness. Add ovals to highlight key years. And here's our final result, a clean, modern, and impactful resume all made in PowerPoint. So now you know you don't need expensive tools to create a stunning resume. PowerPoint is all you need. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and comment your resume ideas below. I would love to hear them.